Holla at your boy, holla at your Rob Roy. Back at it again, just to be back at it again, my friend. Shout out to MikeandNice.com. I want to give a salute to these guys. At MikeandNice.com, they do restorations. They sell all the cleaning supplies you need for your shoes, such as shoe laundry bag. If I was you, I suggest you get one. They do custom cleats. They also do custom shoes. So if you need any customization, go down there. Sometimes we don't got time to shoot the video, but we're gonna still give you the best of the best of the fresh content. All right, thumbs up the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. But with further ado, this is another up and coming artist trying to get the whole catalog to you. So let's get into it. All right, this one is a Tom and Jerry custom. You did already some prep work. They're painting, heating, painting. This artist does a lot of pen work. I mean brush work. She's going back in, touching up the artwork. It's like a coloring book, but it's a shoe with a really small, tiny, tedious brush. Hey, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Holla at your boy, holla at your Rob Roy. Ah, do. I'm learning, doing this as we go. This is just some places that we get our inspiration from. Uh, but there's nothing we ain't knocked out yet. So, you know. But one really more important thing is your tape work. You don't want nothing to bleed, so you have to do a bunch of rework. She freehanded her next next character she's about to draw, or next image. Also seen it's a woman actually. I also seen her use another technique. What she used, she made stencils. She drew over the stencils and cut that out. It's a lot of different techniques you can use when doing this. I guess it depends on how you're feeling that day, what you do. Another thing, if you want to catch some of our artwork, go to mikeandnikes.co or hashtag mikeandnikes on Instagram. You want to be entered in some giveaways? Comment below. Make it to the end of this video. Oh, change the music. Yeah. Hey, if you wanna know what's the new hottest shoe out, custom out that we need to cover, comment below. If you got any ideas for this channel, you want us to cover or give you a in-depth of like techniques or you know, at least enter and win the giveaways. Just going back in, tightening up all the lines. I taped off a little bit more, but it's not our project. Well, if you're doing it and you're a beginner, if you're not advanced, make sure you tape off everything. Camera died. I would say that'd be the first step is tape off. They use regular masking tape. Mm. Yeah, I did see some nice Tom and Jerry's out there, but didn't have time to do a video. We just did a couple shoes the other day that didn't have the video time to shoot a video for, so just making sure you still get the freshes of the fresh. It's like tattoos, shoe tattooing. Here come Jerry looking larger than life. Mm, mm. Also, you might not get all your paints that you want together, you know? Let's say you don't be fumbling around like, oh man, get all the colors you're gonna need, have them somewhere close in the vicinity because we didn't done it before. Running this way across the room, that way, just have them all there. So once you start, you could just blast right through it. Dun, dun. Also, if you're gonna do a video, I want some nice, rough, tough music. All right, holla at your boy. All right, and that's the finished product right there. You know, they came out great. And anybody want these done? Let us know. All right, you might do that in the giveaway. You pick it, we do it. All right. Now, with further ado, holla at your boy, holla at your Rob Roy, back at it again, just to be back at it again. Thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's keep it going. Till next time, salute, and that's a wrap.